Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Also, if you're OG, triple OG, original gangster to my channel, thank you so much for sticking around and coming back for another video. So today is going to be a nail tutorial. It is a 4th of July inspired nail tutorial. Super easy, kind of different from all the typical, you know, stars and stripes and stuff that you see. This one I'm using striping tape with the colors red and blue, and it's super simple. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do is apply your ridge filler. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and do a few coats of white nail polish or gel polish. I decided to do regular nail polish because I haven't really used it on my channel. I always use gel, so I wanted to, I guess, step out of the box and use regular polish. Once you have the color nice and opaque, set it off to the side so you could work on your little striping tape. You're going to remove the striping tape, use your scissors, cut out the lengths of your striping tape. I cut out a few of the red and the blue. And then once you do that, we'll move on to the next step. You guys, striping tape is such a pain in the butt to use. I decided to use my diamond gel adhesive. I couldn't even get it out. And I apply that on the nail so the striping tape could actually lay down a lot smoother. And here I'm laying the first stripe. I was freestyling this nail. As you guys know, I always freestyle all my designs. I kind of have a general idea of what I'm doing, but for the most part, I'm freestyling. Alright guys, so after this I'm going to go ahead and do the pinky, and then I will be applying the top coat, and I'm going to cure it for a few seconds and then wipe off the tacky layer, put a little bit of oil on the cuticles, and that basically completes the nail tutorial. Super easy, kind of simple approach to 4th of July. I didn't want to do nothing too crazy because I know some people aren't into the whole, you know, stars and banner type thing on your nails. So I thought this was a different look at it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.